On today's project, let's cut some more holes in the Silverton. Alright, so naturally I forgot to hit the record button on half the project, but I am installing some DC and AC power meters, doing some templating. Alright, so when installing the power meters... Oh, wait. So when installing the power meters, you just follow the instructions. Oh, no, you don't need those. Okay, so the only thing that's actually important is where to hook up the split core transformer and where to hook up the load, or line rather, in the neutral wire. So how this diagram goes, they have the line, which is the black wire, second from the bottom, that goes around to the load. Then neutral will be on the bottom fourth post there, and that's to supply AC current to the meter itself. For the split core, I don't think it matters which wire goes where. They don't have any indication. We have short power 1 and short power 2 monitors, as well as the house battery bank monitor.